Okay. Anini Janashanabe dog. And who am I? Awen and Gin. Who are you? My name is Nana Bojo. Nana Bojo Indigenous Cause. And you know what? Let's have another song. I'm feeling kind of musical today. How about this one? Awen and Gin. Who are you? Owen and Gin. Ha 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 ha. I really want an Owen and Gin. Ha 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 ha. Tell me Owen and Gin. Owen and Gin. Ha 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 ha. Oh yeah. Anyway, that's my bad impersonation of the Who. That's an old song you kids aren't gonna know about. Let me just fix my headphones. Oh, this isn't too funny. How long have I been doing this? 1:49. I'm just gonna go, okay? I feel kind of bad about this one. It's not very good. Maybe I'll do better next time. Okay, have a good night. Gigawabamin. I'll see ya.